Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In the heart of Islamic history, there shines a beacon of knowledge, wisdom and piety, and revered Imam Ali al-Raza, known as Imam Raza. Today we delve into the extraordinary life of Imam Raza, a towering figure whose legacy continues to inspire generations. Born in the year 148 AH, 765 AD, in the holy city of Medina, Imam Raza inherited the noble qualities of his forefathers, including the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib. His life journey would be one of immense knowledge, compassion, and spiritual guidance. From a young age, Imam Raza displayed remarkable intellect and a thirst for knowledge. He worked under the guidance of his esteemed father, Imam Musa al-Kadhim, becoming a leading authority in various fields. Imam Raza's dedication to scholarship and his profound understanding of Islamic sciences earned him a reputation as an exceptional teacher and jurist. Students flocked to him from far and wide to learn from his wisdom and guidance. Imam Raza's compassion knew no bounds. He dedicated himself to serving humanity, particularly the marginalized and oppressed. He tirelessly worked to alleviate poverty, provide for the orphans, and offer assistance to those in need. His commitment to social justice and empathy became a cornerstone of his teachings. The Imam's knowledge and intellectual prowess were widely acknowledged even by his adversaries. One of the most notable episodes in his life was a debate with Ma'mun, the Abbasid Caliph, on the imamah of Imam Ali alayhi salam. Despite facing attempts to discredit him, Imam Raza's wisdom and eloquence shone through, leaving a lasting impact on the minds of his listeners. The encounter with Ma'mun not only showcased the Imam's intellectual abilities, but also served as an opportunity to disseminate the teachings of Ahlulbayt and highlight the importance of justice, truth, and piety. Imam Raza possessed extraordinary spiritual powers. Numerous accounts of miraculous healings and divine interventions are attributed to him. People from all walks of life sought his intercession, and his prayers were believed to bring solace, guidance, and even physical healing to those in need. His profound connection with the divine was a testament to his unwavering faith and spiritual devotion. Imam Raza's scholarly contributions were vast and profound. His teachings and ethics, theology, jurisprudence, and spirituality continued to enlighten and guide millions of individuals seeking knowledge and spiritual enlightenment. His works, including treatises, letters, and insightful discussions, remain invaluable treasures for those seeking a deeper understanding of Islam. The Imam's emphasis on the harmony between reason and faith, his methodical approach to jurisprudence, and his teachings to ethical conduct continue to shape the lives of believers and scholars alike. Imam Raza's legacy extends beyond the realms of theology and spirituality. He was known for his open-mindedness and willingness to engage in interfaith dialogues. His debates with scholars from various religious backgrounds showcased his deep understanding to different belief systems and his ability to present the teaching of Islam with eloquence and respect. Imam Raza's interfaith engagements fostered an environment of intellectual exchange and mutual understanding, emphasizing the importance of dialogue and peaceful coexistence among different communities. In addition to his vast knowledge of theology, jurisprudence, and spirituality, Imam Raza also made significant contributions to the field of medicine. He authored a renowned book as medicine known as Kitab al-Tib al-Ridha, which combined his profound understanding of Islamic teachings with the principles of medicine and healing. His book not only addressed physical ailments, but also emphasized the importance of holistic well-being, encompassing the spiritual, emotional, and mental aspects of an individual's health. It became a reference for medical practitioners and scholars embodying the Imam's belief in harmony between body and soul. Imam Raza's contributions to medicine exemplify his comprehensive approach to human well-being, recognizing the interplay between physical health and spiritual enlightenment. Imam Raza's life was tragically cut short as he was forcefully poisoned by a Ma'mun. Today, millions of believers make pilgrimages to the sacred shrine of Imam Raza in Mashad, Iran, to pay their respects and seek spiritual blessings. His teachings continue to inspire generations, remind us of the importance of knowledge, compassion, interfaith, dialogue, and holistic well-being.